my name is Andrew Fran. I'm a product manager here at Airflow Developments. Today we're going to talk about the Aventa In-Line fan. These are great for remote installations, for example in a ceiling void. Aventa comes in three sizes: 100mm, 125mm and 150mm for different duct sizes. Each one of these has slightly better performance and is suited for different installation types. The Aventa fans are low power, consuming from only 21 watts, and each model is 2 speeds. As well as this, you get a choice of basic switching or adjustable timer overrun from 2 to 30 minutes. The Aventa is a great fan and has easy maintenance in mind. You can remove the entire fan body by simply removing these 2 clips and removing the entire central fan body. This is great for either maintenance or cleaning of the fan system. Adjustments to the timer settings of this fan are easily made and can be found under this cover on the top of the fan. These 2 screws need to be removed using a Phillips head screwdriver. Removing this front cover reveals the control PCB where timer adjustments and wiring can be made to this fan. Using this potentiometer here, you can adjust the timer between 2 and 30 minutes. Wiring of the fan is done using this, and you should follow the instructions provided with your product. As well as a standalone 2-speed fan, Airflow also offers shower kits, which include the fan you require, as well as the ducting and all the grills that you will require to install one of these products into your premises. You get 6 meters of flexible ducting, 4 cable ties, an internal grill, and an external grill. This version is available on the 100 and the 125 size, whereas the version down here, which features a light, is available solely on the 100. A white and a chrome grille is provided to you in the box. If you'd like any more information about the Aventa In-Line or other products that Airflow offers, please visit airflow.com.